In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickChart in n8n. QuickChart is a powerful and flexible tool that allows you to generate charts quickly and easily, which can be highly beneficial when you want to visualize data dynamically within your workflows. We'll be walking through the process of adding a QuickChart node to your n8n workflow, ensuring that you can take full advantage of this feature, irrespective of whether you're using the free service or a paid plan. To kick things off, you'll want to start by creating a new workflow in your n8n instance. This is where you'll design the specific process that you want to automate, including the QuickChart element. Once your workflow canvas is open and ready to go, the next step is to incorporate the QuickChart node. Adding this node is quite straightforward. Simply navigate to the panel where you find your nodes. Search for QuickChart and add it to your workflow canvas. This node will be responsible for handling chart generation according to the data you supply. If you're utilizing the free version of QuickChart, you'll be happy to know that no authentication is required to get started. The free service provides substantial capabilities for those with basic needs. However, if you find that you require higher usage limits or access to additional features offered by QuickChart, it might be worthwhile to consider using a paid account. Should you opt for the paid service, an important step to consider before proceeding is the creation of a QuickChart credential within n8n. This involves entering your API key to allow n8n to authenticate and connect to your QuickChart account seamlessly. Now, you might be wondering why credentials are vital for paid accounts. Using an API key helps in securing your data and ensures that only authorized interactions with the QuickChart service occur. It essentially serves as a bridge between your n8n workflow and QuickChart, facilitating a smooth exchange of data. Setting up the credential is a one-time process and will enable you to access all the premium features available in your subscription plan. To summarize, adding a QuickChart node to your n8n workflow is quite simple. You create a new workflow, add the node, and depending on your plan, either proceed without any credentials or set up an API key. With this setup, you are now equipped to generate insightful charts incorporating the data relevant to your processes. Whether you choose the free service or a subscription, harnessing QuickChart's potential within n8n can enhance visual data representation significantly, facilitating better decision-making and analysis. By following these steps, you can easily integrate QuickChart into your n8n workflows and start making data come to life with effortlessly generated, visually appealing charts. Tune into future videos for more tips on optimizing your n8n experience.